All right, what's up, everybody? It's Dr. Roberts here, and we are at day 4. Today's Monday, so day 4 of being on the keto lifestyle, not the keto diet. We're not doing diets here. This is a lifestyle change, and as I've said in previous videos, I'm going to try to document as much of this as possible so that you can go along this journey with me. You can see the ups and downs, the highs, the lows, the struggles. Speaking of struggles, I was going to document and do some filming yesterday on Sunday, but man, yesterday was rough. Before we dove into all this, and as I was doing my research, one of the things that kept popping up when I was looking at this keto for beginners and steps to take in the beginning and things to do, things to avoid, all that stuff. One common theme kept coming up, and that was the keto flu and keto headaches. And let me just tell you, that is legit. That is real, because my wife has had some ups and downs, some not feeling so great. But yesterday, for me personally, I had a massive headache, and I never get headaches. I had a massive headache all day. About midday, started getting some body aches, just some fatigue was setting in, just felt like crap all day. Woke up this morning, still with a lingering headache, but I just finished lunch, getting ready to head back to the office. Starting to feel a little bit better today, starting to feel a little bit more energy, but we've got a long way to go. This isn't an overnight thing, and I'm trusting the process. We just got some new supplements. I'm going to go over that. I'm going to do a specific video on things that we are supplementing with, along with the natural foods that we're eating on a daily basis. I plan on doing a lot of specific videos, not just these impromptu vlogs of my daily progress, but I want to do some specific videos of meal prepping, shopping, certain recipes that our family really likes, some sweets we experimented yesterday. Because that's one of the struggles with the whole cutting out the sugar, obviously, is, my wife and I both have a sweet tooth. So we found some keto-friendly chocolate chip cookie recipes that actually weren't that bad. So I'm kind of excited to share that with you. I wanted to try it out first before I filmed it in case I butchered it, but they turned out okay. So I plan on doing a future video on chocolate chip cookies and any other recipes that we really, really like. But so far, it's not been the easiest of processes. It's not been the easiest thing to jump into, nor did I think it was going to be. But man, the keto flu is, like I said, it's legit. It's not fun. But hopefully, as the next couple days go by, I've talked to a few people that have done it, or known several people that have done it, and I think most people said that they felt bad for 2 to 3 days. The worst I think I've heard anybody say so far was like a week. So again, really just trying to up the intake of fluids, of water, as well as sodium, potassium, magnesium, all that stuff. Anyway, just wanted to give you a quick update, letting you know that it's a struggle. It's not easy, but it's going to get better. If you have any questions, anything that you would like me to do a video on, any type of recipe, any type of daily activity, meal prepping, whatever, anything you guys have a question about, feel free to leave a comment below, whether you're watching this on Facebook, YouTube, wherever it's posted. And please feel free to share these videos. I want to get the word out as best we can, because people are struggling. People are struggling with their weight. They're struggling with what they're eating. I'm not personally doing this solely as a weight loss. Neither is we're doing this as a lifestyle change. We want to live a healthier lifestyle. And we just wanted to stop putting all that junk in our system. So if you are interested in that as well, feel free to come along this journey with us. If you have any questions, like I said, leave in the comments below or ask me in the office, and we will do our best to help you along this journey with us. So that's it for today. Hopefully I'll get another vlog out tomorrow, but if not, we will see you guys soon. Have a great week.